In this video, we're going over how to fix the common problem where your Samsung Buds 3 Pro stop charging inside the case. If you drop the buds in the case and nothing happens, don't worry. There are two easy troubleshooting steps you can try before assuming something is seriously wrong. The first thing to do is charge the case itself. Take both earbuds out and set them aside. Then plug the charging case into power. You can use a USB-C cable or a wireless charger. Either option is fine as long as the charger is actually supplying power. If you want to double check, open the Galaxy Wearable app and look at the charging status. Once the case reaches a full charge, place the earbuds back inside and see if they start charging normally. In many cases, the problem is simply that the case battery is too low to provide power to the earbuds. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is a thorough cleaning. Remove the earbuds again and grab a soft brush, Q-tip, or an air blower. Gently clean the inside of the case, especially the metal charging pins where the buds make contact. Even a small amount of dust, lentigisint, VT, or skin oils can interrupt the connection. After that, clean the charging connectors on the earbuds themselves. They're usually located underneath the wingtips. Make sure there's no debris stuck around the sensors or metal contacts. A quick cleaning often restores the charging connection instantly. If you've tried charging the case and cleaning everything, and your Buds 3 Pro still refuse to charge, there's a chance the issue is hardware related. This could be a faulty charging pin, a damaged connector on the earbuds, or a battery issue inside the case. At that point, the best move is to contact Samsung support. They can check whether your device qualifies for repair, replacement, or warranty service. Hopefully, one of these quick fixes gets your Samsung Buds 3 Pro charging again. If the video helped, feel free to check out the other troubleshooting guides on the channel.